Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore, and today I am here to show you the modes, some of the modes on my bike which I have done already. So as you can see my handlebar, these are the modes which I have done, the charging socket and the switches. I am going to tell you what it is. So one more thing is, today I am going to check the pickup of my bike as I have completed the period, the 500 to 600 kilometers which I need to ride slow. So I have completed that period, and today is time to check the pickup of the bike and review of the engine, how they have done. So before that I am going to tell you about the modes which I have done. So one is the charging socket and the mobile holder, whatever. So mobile holder with a charging socket, it costed me 450 rupees. I bought it from the Yelahanka. So it is good, it gives me a fast charging. And the next mode is the switches. The left side switch is for the 4 indicator, okay, and the right switch is for the engine lighting. So engine lighting I am going to show you in the end of this video. So that is a good and cheap and best mode which I have done. And the next thing is, if you can observe the clutch cable and the accelerator cable, I have put that extra pipe on the cables. So that is giving me a look, very good look. You can buy it in any color, you will get in multiple colors. So I bought it from my hometown. That costed me 40 rupees per meter, and those switches costed me 60 rupees. Okay, so these are the modes which I have done till now, and rest of the modes are pending, which I am going to do in the next week.
Baby, she's Alabama, a Dixieland delight, kissing me like molasses, slow and sweet, just right. She's an endless all year summer, yeah, sunshine 365. But when she forgets the punchline, it still gets me every time. 'Cause I love
Very good. So every time I cross any I jump any potholes, I have to go back to search my keys. I totally forgot this thing. So I have to change this in next mode. Welcome back. Here you go. And zoom. Oh, sorry. Music plays.
every little thing about her love, and just a little ain't enough. I gotta get her, need a little more of how she does.
The route I am going is from Bangalore to Gauribidanur because I had some personal work there. And just now I crossed Rajanagunte and heading towards the Gauribidanur.
Yeah, she's Seattle and Sonoma, runs on coffee and red wine. Easy like Sunday morning, wild like Saturday night. She's 24 karat goodness, and angels all I see. She dresses up for everything, but she only dresses down for me. And I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. Gotta get her, get a little more of how she does. everybody's dream girl, but she's all mine. And I love every little thing about her love. Just a little, ain't enough. Gotta get her, need a little more of what she does. Cause I love every little thing about her love. About her love. Yeah. About her love.
So this is the time to check the top speed. So the meter is not working, so I'm using the Google Maps to check the top speed, how much it's going. So guys, now I can feel something is going wrong in my bike, because as when I'm pushing hard, the bike is just revving. I mean, the RPM is getting high, but the bike is not at all moving. I don't know what's wrong with this. It started recently when I was coming. When I started this ride, at that time it was not happening like this, but now I don't know what happened. Suddenly it's not taking any pickup. It's not crossing 90 kilometer per hour. Can you imagine? So here that, yes, can you feel? As soon I'm just giving a throttle, it's just rising. It's not giving any pickup. It's not pulling the bike. Instantly the RPM is going up. What happened? So according to me, I am facing issues with the clutch or the clutch cable. So let me call the mechanic and ask what we can do further, because till the mid range it has very good punch and there is absolutely fine. There is no issue in engine. But if I am rising the bike, see, RPM will go high, but the bike is not pulling. I can't feel that thrust from the engine. It's just revving and revving. So welcome again guys. This is the second day. I am going from my hometown to the Gauribidanur because I had some business work over there. So yesterday I couldn't complete everything, okay, which the problems which I was facing. So again I was like the new problem created, that is the missing. See, if I am rising the bike, just it will give me a missing and again it will rise. There is some the fuel issue maybe, or the electrical issue. I am not getting clearly. So I called yesterday evening to the mechanic. He told me to bring the bike, so he will do it for free. Don't need to worry about that. So this is the guard section when you're going from Chikballapur to Gauribidanur. And trust me guys, this bike is absolutely perfect for these kind of roads. I'm really feeling that comfortness in the ride. you can go in any gap. Such kind of confidence you will get when you're riding in this bike in these kinds of road. Actually, this is a side mount. I have tried first time. I hope the visibility is good. So I have reached Gauribidanur now. I saw these tires. These are all the cutted tires and rebuilt tires. The shop is in the Gauribidanur, so you can get all the cutted tires here for any bike. So I have selected two. This is for rear. This is very big. This is 110 size, 110/18, and this is for front. That will be okay, but I am hoping that it will suit. It will fit for rear. You can see it. This tire is too bulky. So let's see what will happen, whether it will fit or we have to do something else to make it fit. And I'll show you the look, how it looks when you put the bulky tire, fat tire for the Fiero. So you can see this is the look, this is the front look. And let's go now. I'll make a video or a review about this later, how it is and how it's going. So I forgot to tell you the cost. I have paid them 600 rupees with the fitting charges for the two tires. Okay, I have paid 600 rupees. This is with the fitting charges. This shop is just beside the police station, the Gauribidanur police station. You can see just beside that. It's not starting. ಬರ್ತೈತಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಕಡ್ಲೆ ಇದು ತೆಗಿರೋಣ, ಇದು ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ले लेगा, वरना गाड़ी स्टार्ट है बाद ले लेगा. करंट मारता था वही डर से. So I found out that current was not coming from the spark plug. So I need to search for any mechanic over here to get it checked. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ದಿವಸ ಟೈರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So finally I found the mechanic shop just after the two shops from there. So I told him the problem because it's got started in the one kick when I started in the morning, but I don't know why it's not starting now, why it's not getting current. As I told you, the current was not coming, but we have checked all the spark plug and we have drained the waste fuel which was accumulated in the carburetor. Everything is done, still it was not getting start. So what we have done is we have tightened all the plugs which was there in our front. As soon we did that, the bike got started in one kick. So the reason why the bike was not starting is just a loose connection of the clip. So we just tightened that. bike got started. So make sure all your plug points are tight enough, because if something happened in between the road where I won't get any mechanics, then that would cost me a very big problem. So luckily I have got a mechanic here, and I asked him to fix that gearbox because it was touching to the tire, because the tire was too bulky. So I asked him whether it will be possible to fix that. He said yes, and he's doing that right now. So what he's going to do is he's putting the some one or two washers inside the wheel, so it will give the gap from the right side. Okay, so it won't touch anymore. So what he is doing is complete jugaad kind of thing, because the wheel was shaking, wobbling. So I asked him what is the reason. He told me hub is not good, hub is going off. We have to change the hub as well. So he's doing something for that. So guys, finally I'm heading back to Bangalore. You can see the angel light, that is what I was talking about. And everything is done, the tire is not touching anywhere now. And one more thing, I have changed the clutch wire. As I told you in the previous in the beginning of the video, the bike was just revving, but it's not giving any thrust. That's why I changed the clutch wire, because I didn't got the Suzuki Fiero clutch cable. That's why I just changed the wire. So he just did some alteration and he managed to put that. Now it's very good, guys. The pickup is very good and everything is absolutely fine. So I'm heading back to the Bangalore. So guys, the 4 indicator. This is just normal 4 indicator, guys. Just we shorted the positive of the both side indicators. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and encourage me to do more videos like this. There is a lot more modification are coming soon on this bike. For that I need some motivation, right? So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring more videos like this. And if you have any doubts, just comment in a comment box so that I can solve you any kind of doubts on this bike.